Well, we got snow. Let's go camping. This is my go-to winter tent because it's double walled and there's no mesh in there, just two vents on the top. But boy, is it a bear to put up. But it's worth it for some warmth. Well, there's the final result. It is very roomy. It's an actual 3-person tent. So you can see you have a vestibule back here. And you have a huge vestibule right here. So I'm going to put my stuff in there. And these are two pretty cool stakes that I got that have little lights on them. So if you're getting up in the middle of the night, put your lights on at night and they'll guide you back. So I got Mr. Buddy heating up the tent. Put it on the floor because you put it on the table, it actually hits the walls too much. So you can see in here, I have 2 vent openings right here to kind of let any carbon monoxide build up. But I do have a detector in here too. And there is the back vestibule on the table. Got my cot up, and it is cold, so I got my military sleeping bag. And here is the other vestibule. So as you can see right there how much room you have in here. So you could actually sit down here. And this zips right up. You don't want to use this tent in the summertime though, in hot months, because as you can see there is actually no mesh. So, and it is double walled. So it's a heat box in here. I tried it one time, about roasted. So I'm gonna get some vittles on and I'll see you guys in a few. Well, it's a damage night. However, I'm trying to get my olive oil thawed out, but it ain't happening. As you can see, I changed jackets too because the temperature is dropping. So I don't think that's gonna. Oh no, that ain't gonna thaw. So we have to improvise with some butter. And butter is like almost frozen too. Go to your Walmart, and these little bottles are like $1, and they got tons of flavors, and just easy just to throw in your backpack, throw in something. But yeah, I'm gonna try this. Fire roasted garlic and habanero. Gonna doctor up this sandwich. You would think in this day and age, every single can will come with a pop off. Not this one. So, B38 it is. Old-fashioned manual one. Cheers actually come with a thing that goes underneath the legs that keep you from sinking in snow and mud and sand. So I just did a huge rookie mistake. You can take away my Women Outdoors badge. Anyhow, I packed up last night to try to get everything done. I wouldn't be rushing this morning. Well, what do you know? I left my water bottles. So we are going to do it the old-fashioned way and melt some snow so I can have some tea. And let's see how that turns out. Mission accomplished. Took about two batches, but it's hot. Ooh, it's actually too hot. Wish I could see the sky tonight, but it's really cloudy.